Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get a C39 roofing contractor license in California. So, a C39 license is for roofing work, including installing, repairing, and waterproofing different types of roofs for residential or commercial projects. So, to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, you have a social security number or ITIN, and have at least 4 years of journeyman level roofing experience. So, this means that you can perform roofing work without close supervision. And once you meet the requirements, you can apply through the Contractor's State License Board or CSLB. And after your application is reviewed, you'll be able to schedule your exams. So you usually need to pass two exams here, the law and business exam and the roofing trade exam. So the law and business exam covers contracts, business rules, and legal responsibilities. The roofing exam focuses on roofing work, safety, estimating, and roof systems. And after passing, you'll complete the final requirements such as paperwork, fingerprinting, bonding, and workers' compensation if needed. So once everything is approved, the CSLB can issue your C39 roofing contractor license. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.